What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to schedule posts into WordPress pages or even posts or post types or any kind of content that you can create on WordPress. And this is a very good option for content creations and content planning. So first of all, go to your WordPress dashboard under your website's dashboard and go to plugins or pages or projects or any other kind of post type. And to schedule, first of all, we're gonna need to create a new post. So go to add new option. You can create your post in the way that you used to. Normally we start with a title, and after this the content, image. Once this is on an example, I'm gonna just post a text from Lauren Ibsen. And before we hit the publish button, we will not hit this button. We're gonna take a look into the status and visibility. And right here, next to the publish, we can see into the right side of the options menu, an option name it as immediately. As soon as you click on it, a calendar pop-up, and you can select a date. You can select a back date or a front date. In the case that you want to schedule, for example, for the next week, you need to select a front date. You can change the time, AM or PM, for example. You can change even the year. And after this, just click out of this pop-up and you're gonna be able to see the publication date. April 4th. And now, instead of the publish button that we used to see on WordPress, you can see the schedule button. As soon as you click on it, the post gonna be scheduled. Hit again to finish the process. Here's a summarize. And we are good to go. If you go back to your WordPress dashboard posts page, you can see that there is a new post scheduled for a forward date. The same process can be done with the pages, and it's exactly the same way. It may change according to the page builder that you are using, but normally this is the way that WordPress works. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to review the 3 links into the video description and first comment of this video for a cheap WordPress hosting, a performance WordPress hosting, and an amazing place where you can download free fonts, icons, and assets for free on Creative Market. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and follow Visual Modo on Instagram. And I see you later. All the best!